Namaste, it's me Damodar, Assistant Professor of Tribhuvan University, Institute of Forestry, Nepal. Since 2 years, I have been teaching forest product and utilization in this university as a major subject. Dear researcher, conservationist and plant lover, I would like to introduce very important medicinal plant of Nepal, which is on the IUCN endangered category and CITES Appendix 2nd. This very much important species can be found in Institute of Forestry, Hyderabad campus. Now I am searching for the habitat of Rauwolfia serpentina. The sea great species is Rauwolfia serpentina, normally known as Sarpaganda in Nepali language. The plants also cure for insect bite also, and that's why in the Nepali language snake is Sarpa. That's why we commonly known as Sarpaganda in Nepali language. I already told you that Rauwolfia serpentina is under the category of endangered list of IUCN and Appendix 2nd of CITES. Now I am searching for the habitat of Sarpaganda, Rauwolfia serpentina. I am searching for the habitat. I am searching. Yes, got it. This is Sarpaganda, Rauwolfia serpentina, locally known as Sarpaganda, and this is the perennial shrub up to 60 centimeter height, and we can found this species up to 1000 meter. But the base suitable height is up to 600 meters, and Tarai region is the best habitat for Rauwolfia serpentina. I am searching for the Rauwolfia serpentina habitat. Yeah, I am looking for. I am searching. Got it. I got it. Oh my God. Rauwolfia serpentina. You can see the flower of Rauwolfia serpentina and leaf. This species is under the category of endangered list of IUCN because of the very important uses of this species. If the species has very much uses, then this species is disappearing. These are the bitter truth of the anti-happy. Oh, this is a very much species because out of the 50 alkaloid content in the Rauwolfia serpentina, 90% of the alkaloid content in the roots, and that's why people often uproot this species, and it's the major causes of depleting in the natural habitat. Many people are interested, or many people are curious about what are the uses of Rauwolfia serpentina. One of the major use of Rauwolfia serpentina is for the blood pressure, and everyone can use if they have a heart problem, and it circulates the blood, very good circulation of the blood for reducing the high blood pressure. And another use we can also use for curing is insect bite, as well as for the hysteria or another fever cases. This species can be solved. Yeah, this is very much important species and need to be conserved need to be protected. And then government of Nepal has categorized this species under the domestication and cultivation prioritize. Recently, government of Nepal has prioritized Rauwolfia serpentina. Rauwolfia serpentina is for the domestication and cultivation purposes. And then in the Rani Samudaik Ban, known as Rani Community Forestry, have a huge domestic demo plot, and they are cultivating Rauwolfia serpentina in the natural habitat. Nearly natural habitat, more or less natural habitat. Okay. And I would like to draw the attention of the species for the long-term survival of the species, and we have to promote through domestication and cultivation for income generation, as well as to save from depleting in the natural habitat. Thank you very much. I will appear in the another episode for this another species of medicine and aromatic plants. Damodar Gaide, Assistant Professor, Institute of Forestry, Nepal. Thank you very much.